Hey everyone, so I'm gonna do the last eyeshadow palette, which is the olive colors, the Jades. That's what it's called, the Jades. I'm gonna use it. I don't want to do the same mistake I did the first time, so I'm gonna use it for just medium, dark, and the white. But honestly, that color would be amazing on the lid as a smoky eye. But I'm just going to do it the way it is in the pan, the traditional way. So I used this olive here as the base color, since that medium color is olive. So let's start with that. I'm going to take that gorgeous emerald color right there. Put that in the crease, contour area. That's a gorgeous duochrome, white with green duochrome there. I'm gonna put that in the highlight area. I haven't done my brows yet, dang it. I know I was forgetting something. Oh my goodness, I love that. Do you see that? Do you see that? Gorgeous duochrome. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used the Jade lip gloss, very nice, very shimmery. It's got like gold and some pink in there. I used this on my nose and I used the green, one of these on my cheeks. It does crumble, so I know that probably pretty soon, you know, it's just gonna all mush up into one color. So that is the end of the Crystal Cavern collection from Wet n Wild. And I have something to show you, but before I do that,